Did Google just redefine the future of AI?
At Cloud, next 2025, Google unveiled what may be the most complete AI agent strategy the tech world has seen, spanning everything from foundational models to open protocols and no-code tools for businesses.
Whether you're a developer, a tech leader, or just curious about where AI is heading, what Google launched could impact the entire industry. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what excites you most about AI's future. At the core of Google's vision is Gemini, its advanced AI model built by DeepMind. Gemini can handle text, images, audio, video, and even code. It powers everything from personal assistants to enterprise-level AI tools. With the launch of Gemini 2.5, Google adds enhanced reasoning and long context understanding, making it ideal for research, content creation, and problem-solving. Gemini is fully integrated into Google products like Workspace and Vertex AI. And speaking of Vertex AI, it's now optimized to support AI agents as first-class citizens. Developers can tap into Google's own Gemini models, or open-source alternatives like Llama. There's even an agent garden filled with pre-built agents to help developers build faster. For deployment, Google introduced the Agent Engine, a managed service that handles scaling, monitoring, and security. This lets developers focus on logic, not logistics. It supports popular frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen 2, and Llama Index, and comes with built-in debugging, memory, and evaluation tools. But what truly stands out is the Agent Development Kit, or ADK. It's an open-source toolkit that simplifies building agents and multi-agent systems. With under 100 lines of Python code, developers can create smart, interactive agents with native audio-video streaming, local debugging, and orchestration controls. It's the same framework Google uses internally for products like AgentSpace and the Customer Engagement Suite. Now let's talk about interoperability. Google's Agent-to-Agent protocol, or A2A, is designed so different agents can talk to each other across platforms securely. Built on familiar web tech like HTTP and JSON RPC, it supports long-running tasks and multimodal interactions. Google also integrated the Model Context Protocol, originally developed by Anthropic, which allows models to securely and efficiently access external tools and databases. Together, A2A and MCP form the backbone of Google's multi-agent vision. Finally, for business users, Google introduced AgentSpace, a no-code platform where employees can create agents that pull in data from systems like Salesforce, SharePoint, and ServiceNow. It even includes research tools like NotebookLM and expert agents for ideation and analysis. All of this signals Google's commitment to more than just better models. It's about building ecosystems of AI agents that collaborate, automate, and evolve how organizations operate. Watch the related video in the corner to explore how other companies are building their AI agent ecosystems.